Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Mr. Porter City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford Escape ST line. The exterior color is blue, and under the hood is a 2-liter engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps, fog lamps, and an engine block heater. And over to the side, we have 20-inch aluminum wheels with hand-cooked tires, as well as color-matched handles and mirror caps. This 2023 Escape also comes with remote start, as well as remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly featuring power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings as door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, with our control option on the left and our median hands-free option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking forward, you'll see we have options available such as radio, phone integration, as well as settings, features, and apps, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford Escape ST line, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.